Okay, so let's see this question. I have prepared a masterpiece of art here. So there is a gun which is being fired at a rate of 180 bullets per minute. It's a machine gun. So like automatic rifle. 180 bullets per minute. Each bullet has mass how much? 20 grams. The mass of this gun is 10 kilograms. And the bullet velocity is given 100 meter per second. So the question is, when the machine gun is firing these bullets, what would be the recoil velocity of the machine gun? Got it? Okay, let's try to understand this problem. So we need the recoil velocity of this gun. Let's say recoil velocity is V. F external. If you talk about F external equals to how much? 0. I'll say, sir, like how? Obviously, if you are using the machine gun, there must be someone to do tick tick tick, right? But what is happening now here? That tick tick that you do, no, this pistol, gun, whatever, there is a trigger here. That is not responsible for the whole mechanism to fire the bullet. You are giving a very small amount of force for a very small amount of time. That would not create the that is not responsible to give velocity to the bullet. Actual thing is the internal force, that is chemical reaction that happens in the gun, that creates this muzzle velocity. So external force in these cases can be taken as what? Zero. There is no external force involved. Got it? Okay. So when there is no external force involved, we can say that momentum would be what? Constant. So linear momentum would be constant, because external force, Newton's second law, external force is rate of change of linear momentum, external force 0, so momentum would be what? Constant. Got it? Okay, so it means that the momentum of this bullet plus momentum of the gun should be equal to how much? 0. After firing, this is happening in vector addition. So if you talk about this side, so momentum of bullet one side should be equal to momentum of gun other side in opposite direction. So direction we can easily assume, one is going forward, it is positive, one is going backward, it would be negative. But we are just going to equate the magnitude of the momentum. So let's see. Momentum of the gun, mass of the gun into velocity. I can write it as capital M. Momentum of the bullet would be how much? So momentum of the bullet. So bullet mass is how much? 20 grams. So 20 by 1000 kilograms into velocity how much? 100 meter per second. This is the momentum. But that moment, how much it is firing? How much it is firing? 180 bullets per second. So 180 by 60 bullets. That is 180 per minute. So this is per second. Okay. So this is momentum. Mass of the bullet is how much? Mass of the gun is 10 kilogram, 10 into V. So now equating this, so velocity would be 10 times 2 times. So 2 into 3 upon 10. That is 0.6 meter per second. So that is the recoil velocity of the gun with which it would go backwards. Getting it? Okay. So let me zoom. Okay. Now we can try this answer.